shear force and bending moment diagram, class 6. So more and more classes. Okay, karat karat abhyasate jadamati hota sujan, and that is very important in GATE. In GATE, continuous efforts, putting again and again, solving similar questions, so that you will not falter in exam. That is important. People falter due to pressure because of lack of practice. Okay, you should not worry about repeating the same thing. See, always there are 90% of the questions are very easy, students. 90% of the questions are very easy. Okay, now in this 90, your accuracy improves only when you repeat those concepts again and again, solve the similar questions again and again. Don't worry about repeating it, see it again and again. That is important. How much time? 5 times you have done, 6 times you have done, that matters. After this 90, okay, in this 90 you may able to, if you put this 5 or 6 times, you repeat the concept, you will be easily able to score 70. And after this you have to go for the rest 10, so that a person who is good enough, has practiced this 5 or 6 times, will get 80. Okay, 80 is minimum defined, and after 80 it's your talent. Okay, till 80 a person can go easily, okay, by practice only. Okay, and 80 means you will get around say 400 rank all India. Okay, around 400 to 500 rank all India you will get, which is good enough, is it not? Okay, then you go for the top ranks. Okay, fine. So we have done shear force, we have explained what is shear force diagram, what is shear force. Okay, clockwise. See, all these shear force and bending moment are internal forces, important. Okay, they are internal forces. Okay, so if the internal forces gives a clockwise couple on a part of the a section of beam, then it is a positive. If it gives clockwise couple, anti-clockwise couple is negative for shear force diagram. And bending moment, it's sagging bending moment is positive, hogging bending moment is negative. Simple and straight. So we have done some problems. Okay, yesterday also we did. And then these are the points which we have to keep in mind, that dV by dx is equal to minus q. This minus is important. People miss that minus. A lot of times they miss that minus. Okay, dV by dx, that is change in shear force. Shear force is V, bending moment is M. Change in shear force by the derivative of shear force is equal to minus loading diagram. Okay, so that is important. Okay, another point is bending moment, dm by dx is equal to V. Here positive. Okay, no negative here. Okay, that's important. So these things we have seen, and then we see how the point load influences, how the point moment influences. Then we have seen that when at the shear force diagram, okay, if dV by dx is equal to 0, when dV by dx, dm by dx is equal to 0, that is the that is equal to V, that is V is equal to 0 is maxima. When the shear force is 0, that is the cause of the maximum bending moment. Okay, so that is very important to be understood. Okay, next point here, another point. Okay, there is something called point of contraflexion. Okay, point of contraflexion. What is this point of contraflexion means? It is a point on the BMD, bending moment diagram, where bending moment, that is M, okay, yeah, bending moment is 0. That's it. Bending moment is 0. When the bending moment crosses that 0 point, that is the point of contraflexion. This is the point where if you have a curvature of that particular that curvature of the beam changes. Okay, because bending moment, what it does, it bends it, is it not? So when it crosses 0 means what? What do you say? The curvature has to change from this side. It goes from like this to this way. So if this is the way a particular beam is bent, then you may expect a point of contraflexion over here. Correct? The physical beam when it is bent. Okay. So what is happening here? If you take the bending moment, this is say hogging bending moment. This is sagging bending moment. So there is a change in the value of that. Okay, and that point is called the point of contraflexion. Is it clear? Write this down, students. Okay, point where dm is equal to 0. Very important. Very easy. Nothing great. This point, this questions have come in most of the question papers. It has come. Okay. Civil engineering, it's common. Civil engineering as well as mechanical engineering, both places it has come. Okay, have you written this down, students? Next, let us go to the problem which we have solving. Yeah, let us solve this problem, students. A weightless beam subjected to 2-point loads is shown in the figure below. The shear force diagram is, you should be fast. What would be a shear force diagram? First, find out the reactions, students. What are the reactions? Then everything will be clear to you. Let us call this as A. Let us call this as B. Right? So what is happening? If I take moment with respect to A, sigma MA is equal to that 10 minus 10, sorry, plus 10 into 1, correct? Then minus 10 into 3, correct? 1 plus 2, 3. And then we are assuming this. So it is plus RB into 1 plus 2 plus 2, 3, 4 is equal to 0. So tell me what is RB. What would be RB? This would be 10 into 1 minus 10 into 3, that is 10 into 2, 20 by 4. So it will minus here. So minus 20 will become plus 20. 20 by 4 would be equal to 5. Is it not, students? Fine. This is RB. So if RB is 5, what would be RA? RA would be sigma F vertical is equal to 0. You can apply and you can get RA minus, or if I say RA plus 10 minus 10 plus RB is equal to 0. That means my RA should be equal to minus RB, that is equal to minus 5. So the direction is not this, direction is this of RB. Sorry, RA is equal to 5. Correct? Now doing that, can you tell me what would be the shear force and bending moment diagram? Shear force diagram. So C is the answer. Very good. That's it. Everybody got this? Anybody has the doubts? Fine. Let us do next. Yeah, tell me. A beam overhangs. Can you see this, students? Is it not small, right? I have given you the what do you say, uh, PDF file also. A beam overhangs carries 1 point load acting downwards and the other upwards. The clockwise moment PB is applied at each support. The bending moment at the midpoint of the beam is. Make a competition of solving it faster, students. We will see who will get it at the first one. Be in that very what do you say, that childish type of a schoolboy attitude where you want to get it first. Okay, schoolboy attitude is very good for competition. Okay, that's why schoolboys learn fast, right? So very important to have to change your mindset as it needs. Okay, you have to train your mind so that it's flexible. It can adjust the mindset at any time it wants. You want, correct?
Sir, 0.
Very good. 0. Others got it? Others try it out. How do we do that? Let us do it. So what is happening? Let us calculate the bending moment first of all. So first we will calculate the reactions. Let us say this is A, this is B. Okay, can you calculate the reaction, students? The reactions I have got it as, here this is RA is equal to P, and RA is equal to plus P. I'm sorry. RA I have got it as plus P. This is RA is equal to P, and RB is equal to minus P. That is what we have got. Okay. So now once we get this, RB is equal to P. Let me put it like this one. Direction I have given, so it is plus only. Okay. So now put the bending moment with respect to center. Okay. With respect to center, if you have from this side, let us calculate. What is it? It is P into B plus L by 2. Correct. With respect to the center. Correct. So next, this is giving anti-clockwise, so it is minus, and then sorry, it's giving anti-clockwise, so plus. Then you have a clockwise moment PB, correct, and then you have RA, that is P into L by 2, so minus P into L by 2, which is giving a clockwise moment. So this goes to 0. Simple and straight. One sentence answer. First is to find out the bending, what do you say, the reactions. That is a bit difficult. Then not very difficult. You have to put sigma m is equal to 0 and sigma v is equal to 0. You will get that. Then one sentence. You see, what used to be difficult is becoming easy now. Agreed, students? There's sometimes some people do mistake. They miss this L here, and if you miss that L, you'll get PL by 2. Okay, so very important to be proper. Okay, there's another way to see this. Okay, see here at the supports, what are the moments which is coming? If you see here, there is a clockwise moment, and here there's an anti-clockwise moment. So clockwise moment and anti-clockwise moment cancels over here. Okay, so clockwise moment and the anti-clockwise moment cancel, so it is 0. Here clockwise moment and anti-clockwise moment cancel, so it is 0. So the net moment on the beam is 0, first of all, and then there is no, once the moment is taken into consideration, then there is no other forces which is acting. Correct. So because there is no forces which is acting, and whatever the forces are acting is acting only on the supports, here it has to be 0. The bending moment has to be 0. That is the point. If you can understand, this is intuitive understanding, or when you do a lot of problems, you'll get this understanding. So if that understanding is there, it's direct, you can say it is 0. Okay, without solving this also. Okay, fine. Next one. Let us solve this, students. The maximum bending moment in kilonewton meter for the beam shown. What is that? See, there are a lot of project associate things which will be there. See, now one of my friends has given me that in IISc there is a project assistant vacancy which gives 31,000 rupees per month as a stipend plus HRA. It is there, I'm sorry. S. Divan. Okay. Yes. So fine, I'll forward it to your response students, because these are very, very important things. Okay, we should not miss. What we do is we just think that we think in terms of getting a job, just a job. Don't go for just a job. There are a lot of opportunities which are there, and I have the connection to get you those things. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, I have just what did I do? Yeah, I have just no, not sent. Saurav Diwan. Yeah, I have just sent it now. Okay. Saurav Diwan is a professor. Okay. Yes. So one of the things what happens is, after you do these kind of things, there is a lot of improvement. Okay. But that is for the people who are in the sense who wants to do a job. Okay. If a person doesn't want to do a job and wants to try for higher gate ranks, that's much better. Okay, it's much better than doing a project assistant job. Okay, because sometimes there is a pressure from home. Yeah, please.
I think that's you can't. I spoke to my guide and he said you can't crack that if you are
You cannot.
If you want to crack GATE seriously, then you should not take up the job.
Exactly. True. That's what I'm saying.
If and then moreover it's temporary.
Yes, moreover it is temporary. This is for the people who are saying that we need a job. Correct. Because if you go to private sector also, there is no job security. Correct. This one will give you chances of getting a better job. I've seen a lot of people getting a better job afterwards. Okay, but that is much better than that is if you have say if your parents can support you, then it's better you spend 1, 2, 3 years also. They have seen people spending 3 years also and getting into a good position. Okay, so 1 year minimum you have to spend after BE. Do not think that sir, let me 1 year is wasted. What should I do? Don't do that. If at home there is no trouble, your financial troubles are not there, then kindly put here 1 year after BE. You will surely benefit in the long run. Okay, and extreme benefits in the sense, if you take 5 years, 6 years down the line, you may see a salary difference of around 4 or 5 times. That is the type of salary difference you will see. Okay, that is if you get into IITs, IISc, or if you get into our public sector units. If you don't clear also, even then there is twice or thrice the salary difference, because your basics will be cleared like anything. Okay, so 1 year spending is worthwhile. Okay, whether you clear GATE, whether you don't clear GATE, that's secondary. Okay, I've seen my students who have not cleared GATE who have got into good companies. Okay, our Gopal Pai sir, who was working in was working in an engineering college, came here and he got into Micro Bosch. He was earning initially about 8 lakh per annum. Okay, now it might be increased. Okay, it's 2 years down now. And there's one student called Subhash Suresh who spent 1 year and he got into Hinduja. Okay, and he's also getting a good salary. Okay, our Jitesh was another student who got around 10,000 rank in GATE, not the things what he expected, but he's working in a company in Bangalore and he's getting good salary. Okay, it's not the company that matters, it is how much you are worth it that matters. Okay, the same company for a person who is not worthy will give very less salary, and the person who is worthy they will give much higher salary. It's about your worth, your value. Okay, increase your value. It's not your CGPA that is your value. It's your understanding of the subjects that's the value. Okay, please students, tell me what is the answer for this. How much you know? People think that I do from this university, I do from that university, and I get so much of CGPA, I can get anything. No. One is attitude, learning attitude, very important. To be down to earth, very important. People see if a person is super smart and not doesn't have a right attitude, the company will not take him. He will take a person who is half smart but reliable. Reliability is more important than being good. Okay, yeah. You can see selections into Indian cricket team also. The person who is consistent, only he will get this one. And consistent needs temperament. Temperament comes by constantly training your mind. Correct. Yeah, students. Come on. Why are you struggling on this?
Sir, is it 50?
Very good. That's it. 50
Minus
is the answer. Minus or plus magnitude is asked there. Is it not? It is minus 50.
Yeah.
Correct. Very good. Others. I don't know where did I solve this. Yeah, students, tell me. What is this one which has come? Have you got it as 46 and this is 14? Correct? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you got this? Fine. I was just guessing.
14
I
is
don't,
good.
14 and 46, right? Correct.
Hmm.
So, do we have to calculate? Yes, we have to calculate. Why should we calculate that? To find out the maximum bending moment. Where does the maximum bending moment happens? Where the shear force goes to 0. So, we have to first draw the shear force diagram. Correct? To draw the shear force diagram, we need to find out what is the shear reactions, right? So, 20 is over here. So, how would be the shear force? Shear force would be down, is it not? Correct? So, it would go down, correct? Because this induces anti-clockwise this one. So, it is 20 over here. Then, because of this 46, it jumps up. How much does it jump? It jumps to 46, 20 minus 46. What is that? So 20 minus 46 is how much, students? I'm sorry. Is it proper?
26.
Huh?
26.
Yeah, 26, correct. So here, this is the point where counterflexion is there. Just a second. I think I missed somewhere. Okay. Yeah, 20 is there. Then 46, correct. Okay, 26. Then after it comes over here, it comes down over here like this, right? So it comes down from 26. It drops down to minus 40. That means 14 it drops, correct? So it drops out down to 14, correct? So 14. And then it drops down to 0. This is the shear force diagram, correct? So now this is 20, correct? So now what are the 2 points where bending moment can go high? One is this point B and the point C, correct? So we have to see where it is more. So on this side or point B, if you see, it is 2.5 into 20, which is 50. Plus or minus, we are not worried because it's magnitude, okay? If you see here, it is 2 into 14, right? So 2 into 14 is 28. So which is maximum in magnitude? It is 50. Simple. Easy. It's minus only. Why it's minus? Because it gives a hogging bending moment, correct? Easy, students. Anybody who did not get this? Fine. Next one we will see. So, yeah. A simply supported beam of length L is subjected to varying distributed load of sine 3 pi xl Newton meter, where the distance x is measured from the left support. The magnitude of the vertical reaction force in Newton at the left support is. So it is not a shear force and bending moment, this one. It is how to find out the reaction. So we have to say sinusoidal. How is it? It's sinusoidal, okay? So how is the sinusoid? How much things are coming? Whether it is like this or this way or just this way. Okay, just find it out. What would be the, which is the type of loading which is happening here? 1, 2, yeah. Say 1 and 2. It might be like this also, correct? So how is the sinusoidal load? Or it might be like this, part of that, and then goes down. Fine. So which is the answer? Or it might be some more. Okay. First find out that, then you can find out the reaction. This has come in mechanical 2013. We will do much more problems than what is given there, students. So number of questions to be solved depends on how fast you do it. Students, people may say mechanical engineering and civil engineering has died and all the colleges, all the mechanical engineering will close down. It's all false. Okay, don't believe on that. These are all short-sighted people. Okay, mechanical engineering and civil engineering cannot die for at least no, it will not die at all, because you have to build buildings. You have to build. It may change. That's a different case, but it will not die. Change in the sense it may be built by machines. That's it. So mechanical engineer is much more needed to do that. If people can automate machines, they can automate programming as well. Keep in mind, artificial intelligence can be used for programming also. So if that way, your computer science will also die, because programmers will be in less demand. Correct? Simple programmers. Correct? So what is important now? Innovation is important. In the future, innovation gives you job. Not just like what you say. See, previously a person who is a draftsman used to get a job. If you're done an ITI draftsman, you'll get it. Okay. Now it is not much in demand, is it not? It has reduced. The quality of that is less. Okay. The salary what a draftsman get is very less. Correct. So salary depends on your innovating ability. Okay. Income. I will not say salary. I'll say income. Because when you innovate a lot, you'll have a opportunity to start your own enterprise. Correct. And that is the best thing to do. Okay. So initially Infosys used to do that. Even now they do that. They give they give shares. So you are a part of the company. Okay. Similar thing for high value employees, they give shares. Where they say we cannot pay you to your limit, so we will give the shares. So when you grow, when the company grows, you also grow.
Sir, so we're trying to solve this problem. I think the first diagram is correct. And should we find the reaction forces?
No, this diagram is wrong.
Is it?
Yes.
Yes.
This diagram is not wrong. This is not the answer. Now let us have it. Okay, say this is L. How to find it out? Okay, suppose this is L. Okay, so what is it? L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0. The load is equal to 0. Correct? L is equal to 0. Q is equal to 0. Then any other point where it can be 0, students? Okay, what are the points which it can be 0? X. Next point it can be 0 is only at L. Why? It is 3 pi, right? 3 pi into X, right? So when you say 3 pi into X, the next 3 pi is just a number, keep in mind. Okay, 3 pi, okay, let us do it. Okay, I think these people have got it wrong, probably, yes. Okay, correct. So it is X into L. 3 pi will come, yeah, just a second. Yeah, this is right. I'm sorry, here the solution which is given is wrong. Okay, because 2 pi, when it goes to 2 pi, which is when X is equal to 2 by 3 L, X is equal to 2 by 3 L, what happens? You get it as 0. Sine of you have 2 pi is 0, correct? So what is happening here is, once we have this here correct. You are very correct. The answer which is given in this book which I was referring to is wrong. Okay, so yeah, once you find that, you have to find the reactions. That's it. Okay, so when it is pi, pi comes as yes. So what is the thing? It is L by 3. When it is L by 3, you get pi. Correct. So L by 3 comes as pi. It comes over here. This is L by 3. Then it goes to this point, is it not? So this is 2 pi, and then 3 pi goes like this, is it not? This is the way it will go. This is the answer. Correct. Have you got this, students? This is the right way of the loading curve. Easy? Are you getting the point here? The loading is like this. Agreed, students? Or am I wrong on this?
I thought if we substituted x as L, we get sine 3 pi.
Correct.
3 pi we could write as, like we could split the whole thing into 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 3 pi.
Yes, 0. We have 0. Here we have pi, right? Not pi by 2.
Okay.
Pi by 2 comes over here.
Yes, correct.
Pi comes over here. This is 2 pi over here. This is 3 pi over here. Correct?
Pi plus pi by 2 will be 3 pi by 2, right?
Yeah, pi plus
pi by 2.
Yeah, pi plus
90.
Yeah, pi plus pi by 2 is 270. Correct? 270 is minus 1. Correct?
Okay. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2 again.
Is 0.
Okay.
Correct. Now what should we do? We should find out the area of each one. That's it. Okay, find the area of this. From 0 to pi, you find out the area of this. Okay. Once you find the area, this side, you have it. You calculate the reaction. That's it. So you calculate the first one. Okay. Other things can be calculated. For the first one, 0 to pi, you find out the area. Correct. So you say integration of 0 to pi sine of 3 pi x by L, okay, dx. Find out this first. These are types of questions which, how much ever you prepare, this is in the rest 10% of the questions, okay, which even toppers leave. Okay, so even if you miss these type of questions, if you are not able to solve the questions, it is nothing to worry about. That's what the point I was saying in the beginning. Okay, 90% are easy, like what we are doing previously. These questions are all easy, what we were doing. Okay, these are the tough questions. In any gate, there will be at least 10 marks questions which is tough, which you can never attempt. Okay, even the toppers, there are around 5 marks which even toppers find it difficult to attempt in that stipulated time. Given afterwards, given after the exam, if they are given around say 1 hour time, they will get the answer. Okay, but in the exam there is a limitation. Okay, just like Sachin Tendulkar when he's batting, people sitting in the crowd will say you could have done this, you could have done that, but the person at that particular situation only knows how well he can do. Correct? So we have to talk about realistic things.
Sir, will this be integral 0 to L by 3? X is the length, right?
Exactly. I am very sorry. This is 0 to L by 3. My bad. Okay. Not 0 to pi, 0 to L by 3. Because this is L by 3. Correct? So apply L by 3 and get the answer. Sine would be, when you differentiate, it will be cos, is it not? So it is 3, we get it as 3 pi by L into cos of sine. When you integrate, it will become minus cos, is it not? So 3 pi by L into cos of 3 pi x by L, correct? From 0 to L by 3. So when you do that, you will get this as minus 3 pi by L into cos of x is equal to L by 3. So cos of pi, what is cos of pi? Cos of pi is minus 1, correct? What is the cos thing? It goes like this, is it not? Cos of pi is minus 1. So this will become equal to 3 pi by L, correct? 3 pi by L is the total load here, which I can support over here, correct? So the equivalent one will be, can I go for the next slide, students, once you're finished writing? Next, try it out. So what is happening here? 3 pi by L, if I say, I'll rub this off so that you will not get confused, okay? Let me not change the slide. Let me put it here only, okay? These are tough questions, students. Tough in the sense, once you get the answer, everything is easy. But actual case we have to see, okay? So what is happening? Between 3 pi by L will be over here, okay? This is L by 3. This is 2L by 3. So this is 3 pi by L here. And then over here it is 3 pi by L, correct? And over here it is 3 pi by L. This is how we can take, correct? So what is the reaction at, what is the point which is left support, this support? What is the reaction at this support? That is what is asked. The magnitude is asked. Okay, so what we can do, we want this, so let us take, with respect to this, let us take the moments and find it out. See, you see it is symmetrical, so we can have 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by L, 3 pi by L, 3 pi by L, 3 pi by L, right? So the total would be 3 pi by L downwards, correct? And this is equally distributed among these two, correct? So what it will be? It will be...
Sir, I think it's 3L by pi, sir, not 3 pi by L.
I am very sorry. 3L by pi. I'm sorry. 3L by pi, correct? So it is 3L by pi. I'm very sorry, okay? Because why it is like this, it has come. Just a second. Why did I miss here? 3 pi by L is this, correct? 3 pi by L is correct. So X, what I have to substitute here?
No, sir, it's
3L
3
by
pi by X by L will be by 3 pi by L.
Okay.
Integration.
Yeah. It by 3 pi by L. Yes. So L by 3 pi. So what should it be? It should be 3L by pi, is it? I'll take whatever you say. So L by 3 pi, correct? Should it not be L by 3 pi? Correct, no? Yes, it should be L by 3 pi, correct? So we have here L by 3 pi over here. I'm very sorry. L by 3 pi. Here you have L by 3 pi. And here you have L by 3 pi. So the total would be, we have L by 3 pi, L by 3 pi. So what will happen is the total would be L by 3 pi and L by 3 pi. So 2L pi 3 pi minus L by 3 pi, correct? So this will be L by 3 pi, correct? And it will be divided equally here, is it not? So it would be, just a second. I think we missed it somewhere. L by 3 pi is the answer, but where did we miss?
What did we miss? What did we miss?
We are not getting the answer. We'll get L by 6 pi as the answer. Students, let us see again. Where did we miss? Is this answer correct? This way we are going is correct, no? Did we do mistake in the...
It's there in the option also.
Huh?
It's there in the option also.
Where is the option?
L by 3 pi.
L by 3 pi is there. But here we get L by 3 pi is on the other side. You have to find the reaction.
On the left side.
On the left side, it will be L by 6 pi, is it not, by this method?
Oh.
So we missed somewhere, correct? Where is that we have missed?
Sure, in integration, that cos of 0 is not, only n by 3 is considered here. On the cos of 0, you didn't consider.
Yes. There we missed, correct, you are correct, okay? So here we have minus cos of 0. So it is minus of, this would become minus, so plus. So it will be, I'm very sorry here. So this becomes 2L by 3 pi, correct? 2L by 3 pi, 2L by 3 pi, 2L by 3 pi. So correct. See, we missed something. There is a mistake which happens and we will go wrong, correct? So what happens here? Cos pi, L by 3 pi. Yes. See, small mistakes. Even if you know the concept, if you are good enough, even then there is a problem. So mindset is important. L by 3 pi into cos of 0, correct? Cos of 0 is 1, correct? So this minus minus. So what we will get here is minus 2L by 3 pi, correct? So minus 2L by 3 pi means over here it is minus 2L by 3 pi, fine, because this is taken as positive direction, so this direction is negative, correct? So we have minus 2L by 3 pi in this direction, minus 2L by 3 pi in this direction, and plus 2L by 3 pi in this direction. So the total would be 4L by 3 pi, correct? The total would be 4L by 3 pi minus 2L by 3 pi. So it will be 2L by 3 pi would be the equivalent load. The reaction should be 2L by 3 pi. It is divided into two equal parts, so we can have L by 3 pi as the answer, correct? So we have to go slow when you do the problems, especially these kind of difficult problems. You have to go slow and steady, you will get it. So this is B, L by 3 pi. That is the answer which is given. Is it clear, students? Any doubts here? These are difficult problems, okay? Yeah, once the answer is known, it's easy, okay? But you have to understand the pressure that also that also has an effect, okay? So to handle pressure, what should we do? We should do similar problems again and again, and we should think about this problem. Can there be another way they could have put it? They could put a hyperbola here, okay? They could put any curve over here, okay? They can put any curve, and they may ask you to find out the reactions. They may ask you to find out the SFD BMD. One of the things they may ask, I'm just guessing, okay? This is sine. This is the loading diagram. Tell what is the shear force diagram, what is the bending moment diagram. What you should do? You should integrate this. That's it. Correct? When you integrate this, or one level higher, is it not? Integration is what you get. So this will be sine, the other will be cos. The bending moment will be sine again. Correct? So these kind of questions may be asked. Okay? Preempt always. Yeah.
So but in that case, point load also come into picture also.
Where is the point load?
Reaction support for SFD.
Reaction support will come into picture. Correct. The reaction load will come into picture. So after the reaction, how it moves. So there can be a question like this. Okay, I will frame such kind of questions. Okay, and I'll give you. Okay. So what happens? Such kind of questions, when you preempt these kind of things, gate becomes very easy. Okay. And do not think about doing a lot of things. Step by step. You have to do everything, student. First of all, you have to know basics of everything, because 50% of the questions is direct. They ask you what is that kind of question. Okay. So very easy questions will come for 50 marks. So what should happen? You should have an expanse of the whole syllabus once. Next, for few subjects, you have to go to the depth like this, so that you could answer any difficult question coming in that particular subject. Okay, so first level, everything, the basics of every subject has to be known. Okay, so first level, if you do, you'll be able to score 50 marks out of 100. Okay, fine. This one you solve it, students. Today we are solving a bit difficult problems, correct? For the overhanging beam shown in the figure, the magnitude of maximum bending moment is tomorrow's class, we will not do any mathematics. Okay, today's we will have mathematics. Tomorrow class we will not have any mathematics. We will have 2 hours of class on different questions that has appeared in statics only, including free body diagrams, including trusses, moments. Okay, all these things, whatever we have calculated, so that it will be helpful for you to attempt the exam on Saturday. Okay. So it is not important that I complete the syllabus. It is you who has to complete the syllabus. You have to understand everything. Okay. So in that sense, it's important that you write all the exams. Okay. It's very important. And write exams with full preparation. Okay. And nowadays COVID will come, I suppose. Maybe lockdown might be there. So it's a golden opportunities for us to prepare for GATE. Okay. Don't miss that. And we have a head start. The people, most of the people will be going for a GATE from June or July or August. This time that's what is happening. Okay, so we who have started from March, we have a great head start. Do not miss this lead. Okay. And these things will be repeated again, and attend the repetition classes, students. Okay, do not think that, sir, we have done that, so we will not repeat it. Don't do that. Repeat the same thing in a different way, I will tell you, or the same thing in the same way I will tell you. Okay, see, some of the students are repeating again, and they are seeing how in this class only Ashutosh is repeating. Okay, who else is repeating here? I don't know, only Ashutosh is repeating. Megha is there. Megha is repeating. So one step, it is not enough. Megha is there, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Very good. It's all about focus, students. It's all about focus. For a long time you focus, you get it. My thing is also like that only. I wrote in final year because everybody wrote it. I took one week of this one. GATE is easy. That's what we thought. Okay, if you go and just write it, you will get it. No, you did not get it. I got disqualified. Second time I wrote XE paper. Okay, I was preparing for CAT. I wanted to have a startups. Okay, so that it was not called startup. Startup is a new word. At that time it was entrepreneurship. Okay, so I wanted to be an entrepreneur. Okay. So all IIM dreams were there in my mind. Okay, but IIM dreams got shattered because of my bad English. The problem is, if you think that you have a bad English, then it's not a problem. Just because you speak nice English, fluent English, okay, you can express your idea in English, doesn't mean you're grammatically correct. Okay, so I missed on that. I used to score much in quant and analytical reasoning and all those things. I used to score well, but when it comes to grammar, gone. Then on that time I attempted in November it was CAT. In January I attempted the GATE, disqualified again. Third time thought, no, it's not possible for me to prepare like this. 2006 GATE I wrote, which in XE, which I got disqualified because no preparation. Okay, then went to Hyderabad. Okay, in 2006 October I went for Hyderabad. Only 3 months of preparation. Okay, 2007 I wrote October, November, December, January, 3 months only. October, December, January, February. January only 3 months. February I wrote GATE, disqualified again. But one thing happened because of that 3 months training in Vani that I got. One of the main thing was that my concepts were clear, and I got a great jolt saying that you don't know anything, please do it. Okay, that kind of jolt you got. Okay, and also one of the things was that I was very close to my students. Okay, I was teaching in Canara Engineering College. Okay, so I was close to my students. I used to boast that this time I'll clear. I've gone to this one, and another thing I used to boast is if I do my MTech, I'll do it only in IIT. Okay, that kind of boasting I had. I'm a stubborn person. Okay, and a boastful person. Okay, so that helped me actually. The insult they did not say me anything. Students were not saying. They thought GATE is difficult. Okay, the mindset of the student was, if sir cannot clear, how can we clear? Okay, that was the mindset they got it. Okay, which I wanted to remove. So 2008 I wrote again. This time my preparation and all the hard work I did. Okay, I could get All India 388 and got into IIT Madras Applied Mechanics department. Okay, I couldn't get mechanical. Okay, mechanical ended by around say 250 or so. Even Applied Mechanics ended by 300 or so. But I got in spot admission because somebody left the seat. I got it. So that was how difficult it was at that time. Now even 800 rank or 900 rank in GATE can get applied mechanics. No, not applied. Mechanical engineering they can get. Because the seats have increased. Yeah, students, come on. You are hearing to all my, what do you say, gossips. You're not solving the problem. Come on, solve it. Do it fast. You'll be able to solve it.
I'm getting as 40.
Very correct. It's true. Correct answer. So answer is 40. Okay. Let us do it. Others. What is the reactions we get? Reactions we get it as this is 10. Correct. And this is 50. Correct. Because 4 into this is what we get. See whether you get that. Now what you have to do, you have to find the shear force diagram. How do you find out the shear force diagram? Shear force diagram can be, you start from 10. So it's minus, right? So 10 you can, this is coming as 10 in this direction, correct? So the shear force will start from here, positive, correct? So it is giving a clockwise moment, is it not? So then it will come down. It's a straight line, correct? From here it is straight line. What is the slope of that? Slope is 10. So if the slope is 10, then what happens? It goes like this, correct? So it goes this way. So if the slope is 10, by the moment it comes over here, it is 10 over here, then our 4, the minus is 10, here 0, then here 30, correct? So that is the thing. So the maximum bending moment, where it can be over here, correct? So over here, what is the maximum bending, the magnitude of maximum bending moment. Where are the maximum bending moment it can happen? It can happen at this point, okay? Or it can happen at this point, where it is increasing from 30, it goes up to 30 plus 50, right? 20. So it goes to 20 here, I'm sorry. So it goes to 20 here. And then, how is the bending moment? Straight line. Sorry, how is this one? It's like this, right? Then 20. This is the SFD. So it can happen over here or here. Check everything. So this one, if you see over here, if you draw, it is 10. So this is like this. Equivalent of this is going this way, correct? Which is 10 only. And then over here from this point, you see what is the thing? So what is it? It is 10 into 1 minus 10 into 0.5, correct? So what you are getting? 10 into 1, which is a sagging bending moment, right? So I'm taking positive. Then 10 into half, correct? So it is 5, correct? So the one side is 5. The other side, this side, let us see. This side, what is happening? What is coming here? It is coming as hogging bending moment, but it's okay. So with respect to B, the point B, if you say, it is 20 into 2 into 20, 40, correct? So the hogging bending moment, 2 into 40, 2 into 20 is 40, correct? What is the direction? Minus, so minus 40. If you, the magnitude is not given, then you have to put minus 40. Easy, students? Is it not?
Sir, in shear force diagram, at which point the shear force becomes 0 on the left side?
At point distance of 1 meter. This is 3 meter. Correct?
Sir, how to find out the distance like that?
The distance, how do you find out? You see here, slope is given as, what is the slope of this? 10 kilonewton per meter, is it not? Because when you have, say, it's a constant Q, okay, Q is constant, let us say Q is constant, Q constant, then V is linear, and M, the bending moment, is parabola, one level higher, okay? So if Q is linear, okay, then this is parabola and this is cubic, okay? If Q is point loads, if it is point loads which are there, then V is linear and the bending moment, sorry, V is constant, I'm sorry, V is constant and bending moment is linear. So this case is seen from A to B. From A to B, this is the case which is seen. From B to C, this is the case which is seen. Correct? I hope you get this point. Sharon?
Yes,
Sharon,
sir.
clear? Fine.
Yeah.
Next one. So these are the knacks which is there, which is very easy actually. Okay, but if it is told to you only, then you can do it. That is the reason. Only when after I went for this coaching, I could get this. Okay, this is something which has to be told in the what to say, your engineering only, but it's not told, unfortunately. Okay, now tell me this, students. For a cantilever beam of uniform cross section, the bending moment in Newton millimeter along the length is given, where x is the distance measured from the free end of the beam. The magnitude of shear force in the cross section x is equal to 10 millimeter is. Here one more problem we have. So today we have gone slow, students. Maybe some of the difficult problems we have gone, and I have made you to solve it. Is it not? Tomorrow again we will have both the things. Okay, all the mechanics, statics will have. So if you get time, please refer to the old videos and the notes. Make notes. Continuously make notes, students. Okay, in the class only you have to make notes. Don't think about going afterwards and making notes. It will take time, and you will not have the right frame of mind to make notes. That's why go slow in the class, so that your notes is made properly. Because whatever I tell in the class afterwards, it is 10% that you will know. You will not remember everything. Remembrance is only by doing continuous work, continuous that manana. Okay, there is a lot of names of people which I like. Okay, I have told you the names, is it not? One is Shreya, another is Priya. Okay, I like a lot of students. Okay, then we have Vivek. Okay, now we have what is that, Manan. Okay, these are all the students I like. Okay, then what are the things? Shreya and Priya, you know, you should select which is better for you. This is betterment. This is which is nice for you. Okay, so you have to select betterment to whatever is nice, looking nice for you. Okay, so you have to always select Shreya over Priya. Okay, and when you do that, you have the Viveka. Okay, and another thing what we have is when you hear something. Okay, there is Shravan. Shravan is very important for us. You have to hear properly. Shravan and Manan, these are all very important. Okay, so these are the boys which I like. Okay, Shravan and Manan. Okay, then what else we have? Okay, then another person I like is Riyaz. Very important. This person is very important for our this one for our learning. Okay, Riyaz. If you miss Riyaz, you miss everything.
So shear force is 50 Newton.
Very good. Let us do it. Okay. So what should be happen? What is shear force? Shear force dm by dx is shear force. Correct. So what is it? It is 10 into x. That's it. Okay. So 10 into x plus 10 is v. So at the magnitude of shear force in x is equal to, when you differentiate, you're differentiating this. Keep in mind. Okay. So when you say x is equal to 10 meter, that is 10 into 10, correct? Am I correct over here? Okay, so magnitude of shear force at the section x is equal to 10 millimeter is 10 plus 10 plus 10, so 110. This is what I'm getting. Am I wrong here?
Sir, I think we should include support reaction also.
No, not needed. Why support reaction? It's directly given. Bending moment is given directly. No question of support reactions here. If it is given as a moment is acting, so much of moment is acting, that's a different case. But what is given? Bending moment is given directly. So shear force is 110 Newton. That's it. Easy. Let us see the answer. I don't remember from where did I give this. Okay, let us try it out. I will check it out later on and tell you the answer properly. Okay, so it's 110 Newton. This is what the answer I got. Okay, thank you very much, students. We will meet at 9 o'clock. Any other doubts you have, you can There are other questions also to solve. This one question you can take a snap of this because it's not included in your you can take a snap of this and you can get the answer for this. Okay, this has been asked in civil, I suppose. I'm not very sure.
Fine.
Fine. Okay, so we'll meet at 9.
It's included in the PDF.
This is given in the PDF. Okay.
Sir, it's included in the PDF.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.